Hello and welcome to the final week. It is Unit 6, and this is where you program the states quiz. And one of the things to look at is there's a few different ways, and I've answered some questions about the random states and the capitals and different things like that. There are some different ways to interpret the assignment instructions, but if you get me quizzes that pull up states that then ask questions, I'm okay with that. I'm looking for this culmination of things and how you go about doing it. My recommendation for this particular week is don't wait for the weekend to get it done. I have no ability whatsoever to delay, turn in, delay getting things in, or otherwise, because Sunday on the 1st of April, happy Easter, is absolutely 100% the due date because of the fact that I have to get final grades in, and I have another class that starts the very, very next week. So we're kind of on a time limit, a time crunch, I guess, where that's concerned. So if you push it, start to get things done earlier on in the week, or if you run into problems earlier on in the week, you have enough time to react to it. You'll note that once again, I don't necessarily respond too well on Saturday. And then with Sunday being our final day, obviously you're going to have, if you run into problems on Saturday and you don't get a response until Sunday morning, with Sunday night being the absolute positive due date, you kind of set yourself up for failure. I'm sure there'll be a lot of board traffic, a lot of people accessing the board this week, but I want to try to have you working ahead of the ball as much as possible. If you've already started on this last week, great. If you're thinking about starting on this today, also great. Once again, I must encourage you, do not wait to the weekend because this is a final project. It will eat up a lot of your time. And if it doesn't and you still get it done, awesome. I'm happy to be wrong. But if I'm not wrong, I don't want you waiting till the last minute and then running around trying to figure stuff out when the time is ticking. I've had students do that, and it doesn't end up being very well. So, welcome to Unit 6. It is well within your capability to get this done. You just have to be very, very proactive. And I have dogs now. Have a good day. Take care.